Hello everyone. Let's discuss types of skin incision during autopsy. There are three common types. The first one is eye-shaped incision extending from chin to pubic symphysis, preserving umbilicus. The type 2 Y-shaped incision extending from acromion and below the breast and to the pubic symphysis, and type 3, that is modified Y incision extending from the mastoid process to the midpoint of clavicle and to the sternal angle, from there into the pubic symphysis, commonly done in case of hanging and strangulation. Thank you.